Today in this video we learn how to fix Windows PC hang or freezing problem. So first of all, go to Start and search Control Panel. Now click on Category and select Large Icons. Now select Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. In here select Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down. In here click on plus icon, install all graphics settings and select maximum performance. Scroll down, click on PCI Express and in here select moderate power settings. Click on apply, then OK. Now restart your PC. I hope by this easy settings, this hanging or freezing problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.